Best non-stick tawa. Number 5. Cello Nonstick Dosa Tawa, Induction base with detachable handle. Approx price 679 rupees. Material pure grade aluminum. This pan heats up quickly and cooks your food more evenly. This versatile cookware is compatible with gas stove. 100% flame proof. Ergonomic backlight handle. Scratch free outer hammer tone coating. Warranty 1 year. Number 4. Carrot Granite Non-Stick Flat Roti Tawa. Approx price 1409 rupees. Swiss Non-Stick Granite Coating. Free of PFOA, lead cadmium. Hardened scratch resistant. Energy saving heat storage technology. Well suited for all stoves. Number 3. Amazon brand Solimo Nonstick Tawa with 2-way nonstick coating, 26 semi. Approx price 559 rupees. Nonstick tawa with 2-way nonstick coating. Sturdy construction with a thickness of 2.9 mm and weight of 630 gram. Cool touch backlight handle. Ideal for cooking roti, dosa, bakeries and chapatis. Easy to clean and maintain. Number 2. Pigeon Aluminum Non-Stick Duo Pack Flat Tawa 250 and Fry Pan 200 gift set. Approx price 629 rupees. 5-layer durable non-stick coating. Made with high-end Italian technology. Oil-free cooking. Ergonomic backlight handle. Free from peel-off. Number 1. Hawkins Aluminum Futura Non-Stick Dosa Tawa. Diameter 30 cm. Approx price 1355 rupees. 4.88 mm thick, extra thick. Easy to cook with well balanced pan and handle. Riveted handle. Sturdy stainless steel rivets. Material hard anodized aluminum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.